One other thing that you guys will notice too is Albanian women are extremely stylish. Very much stylish. So, see ya. This shop looks pretty cool. One thing I'm gonna do right now, as soon as we make it outdoors and the brightness, is we're gonna have to make sure this shot is properly exposed. That we are properly exposed. This is actually one of the little cafes right here. I'm show you guys. This is a pretty cool cafe. It's called Croy's. In about a couple of hours, you're gonna see a lot of families come out here. See ya. You're gonna see a lot of families come out, and then you see everyone vibe out. Sabla. And those are the young generation of Albania. Right here, we get a ton of foot traffic, which means that this specific cafe right here is filled with good clients. Yeah, this is where I get my haircut right here. This is how convenient it is. I told you guys that this place is filled with convenience. And those are my two barbers. So guys, very good. This actually might be overexposed. There's pool halls, you know, so, and everything, and I mean really like everything is walking distance. So in a few steps, you guys are gonna see the restaurant that I was telling you guys about earlier. All right. Voila.
Oh, David.
See ya.
How are you, man?
Good. Shumir. Mevete.
Mevete.
To go.
Okay, Mevete.
Thank you, bro.
With all extra tomatoes.
Cool. You're gonna see more and more kids come out right now on their bikes, their scooters, moms coming out with the strollers. That's one thing about Albania, is that it's very family oriented, very driven by families here. So these right here are like tiny little streets. It's a tiny little street, right? Same thing. If I pan this to the left, you see this is another little street. And what's interesting about this location is that you get little tiny businesses here on the right and on the left. So this is what I mean. Like, this is what I mean about like family. Just, there's just a lot of love here. So there's this company. Make sure I get the name right here. There it is. There's a company called Wolt. And Wolt here in Albania, I think also in the Balkans, is basically the Uber Eats or the Postmates of this part of Europe. And quite honestly, I think it provides a ton of jobs because, for example, like if I sit, like let's say I sit here on this little bench. Let me adjust the ND filter, it's crazy. Yeah, let's say I sit here, right? Within just a few minutes, you'll see a bunch of those bikes just whiz by, zoom, zoom, delivering orders. Life can be a very lonely place, but if you learn how to deal with the silence, if you learn how to deal being by yourself, you know, there's a lot of strength in that. There's a lot of strength in silence. And once you harness that and you know how to deal with your own thoughts without constantly being distracted. What's up, guys? Without being distracted, it can become a super strength. So guys, remember, being a loner is all right. It's okay. Definitely gonna dirty my white Air Forces right here going on this mission. So my SD card got full and I wasn't able to capture, like, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. The donor sandwich B-roll is right here. I should have recorded it in portrait mode, but I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Take care, be free, be creative. Peace out.